Hi guys, Retro Trek Ralph here. I've got another model review here of this one specifically is the Revell USS Enterprise original series version, the original run version, not the original pilot or the second pilot. This is the original of the ISS, but this is the original. These really good models that the Revell did. There's a lot of different stuff that they did compared to the AMT version. AMT was a bit more, these are a bit more fatter, the fins on top of here, and the nacelles. The lettering, really well. You've got these lines down the side of the barrels here, the nacelles. And even the saucer section, you've got all these grid lines on. Some did have grid lines, some didn't. Or it's some interpretations of. So what we're doing here is giving these a good clean, if we can. You've even got, these are the first ones that had the 4 windows on the model. Originally MT did not. Now, if you watch any of my others, these, I'm not a professional model maker. I do it just for the laugh, for a bit of a pastime, a hobby. There's problems with this model. I mean, alright, kind of elephant in the room. I wasn't totally sure if these went online with the saucer, which they are, or in line with this section down here. So I put it as it is, and I think I should have put it online with this section. It was like a escape hatch or something. I don't know. But it's an absolutely excellent model kit. It's really good to make. Now what I'm going to do is give you the 12 volt now while I'm here. Now I've got on the back of here, everything on this is from the kit, which I do like doing this one with the kit. I'll put a small switch on there, power socket, power plug straight in, even put the Enterprise name tag on there, the dedication plaque on the base as well. This is the original base it comes with, all fits in. There's no extra stuff on here that I've done. So let's plug her in, power's on, zoom you out, and turn you on. There we go. A little bit of mess there for some reason. We get that to try and see if I can soak that off. Very dusty in here. Lights out. See, that's better in it. The blues and the reds are still, the running lights are still a little bit too bright. I could do with putting some matte on there, I think. I even did a scratch on there, unfortunately, with the paint. I haven't got the same paint left. The light on this is actually coming through quite purple for my eyes. So, slight little problem there. I mean, not all of these upper lights are actually even. Makes it look like there's somebody in, maybe not somebody in. I'll show you on here for the nacelles as well. I wasn't going for, because I can't do a spinning, even though inside here now I've got the line, so I haven't got too much. It's just a clear red with a red LED behind it, and it doesn't look too bad, I don't think. I quite like it. For my level, I think that's quite good. You know, underneath the lights, it's a lot better lighting in a kit than what the AMT was, but then again, that was out quite a long time ago, the AMT. So it's bound to be a heck of a lot better. I have a couple of light leaks on this, but I'm not going to show you them. Hole in there should really have been filled in when I did the model, but I wasn't sure. Actually, I had a problem, I think, because this was supposed to, yeah, I think I had a problem with the wiring inside here, so I had to cut away the bottom. I have to be careful on the dish. If you're watching there, see all the side bit lights up on here, even up to the pylons up here, that light up to there. But you may have noticed something. Let me get the full lights in the garage off. I did the nacelles. Because I saw somewhere, there's even the red light there on here for the neck. There is actually a red light on the model, black up here, so they were painted on the back side. There's another red down here to make it look like something's behind there. Yeah, I blued the nacelles on this, which was a pain in the arse to do. I don't fully recommend it, but because you have to drill out every single one of these grills here. I mean, they are good to do. Once it's in, it gives you this lovely blue glow behind here. There are LEDs behind it, both sides. But this, I understand this is not the original. Don't dislike just because I've done something that... Oh, what was it now? There was a model kit, I think Quantum Mechanics may have done. It's an exhibition. I thought, why not? We've got this. Let's have a try. So I did it myself. Massive light leak on the back there. Could do with being repaired. But like I say, I am not perfect at these models. These are good enough for me and I quite like them. So yeah, I absolutely love that with the blue nacelle coming through there. It's kind of like the Discovery Enterprise, where that's now got light coming through with the nacelles. Certain angles this looks really good with the blue coming through. If you get close enough, let me get you in a little bit, see what you think. And I can't get you close enough, hold on. And I say every single one of these holes was drilled out just to make it look. They're all inside there, blue LEDs behind it. It's not entirely even, but you try and drill out all these out. They're in rows of threes. I'll assume there's a few hundred there. The opposite side, it focuses in, there we go. I think it looks quite good. With that part on front as well, the cooler, intercooler part, whatever it is, just blocks off certain ones when it's at certain angles. Yes, I understand, I am an avid trekker, but again, my interpretation of this. And I was glad to do it, and I would do it again, to be honest. I quite like the blue nacelles on the back there. So, lights back on. So while we were doing that, let's get a damn good clean. It doesn't need much. The only problem I had with this originally was the end of these nacelles. For some reason, when I put the lacquer on to seal everything in, it kind of didn't do very well on the clear nacelles, and I really should have masked them off. Whether or not something got behind it or not, I don't know. You can't exactly tell. Well, you can when it's lit up. When it's dark and lit up, you can't really tell. Let's get rid of those. But I really like this model kit. I wouldn't mind buying another one again. And I'll probably take my time a bit and make sure things are sealed in properly, like on the back there. But that's the only thing that I can... Yeah, I rush a lot of model kits sometimes, and it's a shame that I do that. That's green light on the back, which I think, does the shuttle bay come off on this one? No, I didn't buy any. There are external or internal shuttle bays on some models and stuff to upgrade these kits with. But I did not do that on this. And size wise, let's have a look. The 19-inch long on these. Or just over 19-inch, half a metre in English money. Height wise, 21 centimetres. Width of the saucer, 22. So it's as high as it is wide. You've got 9-inch wide for your imperial more than your metric. But I enjoy doing these, I really do. I've got a kind of problem there with the... Let's have a look. With the, I think there was a glue problem there, but it's not worth as yet revisiting this to restore properly. Just needs damn good clean up, a bit of... I don't know why that's there. I think it's underneath the lacquer. I mean, assembly part on these is It's awkward, but it is as follows. Get the kit, spray paint everything, assemble certain bits, like I could assemble these two parts here go together, so you couldn't exactly do much with it. So you could possibly get a load of wiring in and then jam the whole thing together and then run wires up to the saucer, put the bottom base of the saucer on, put these pylons on, but have wires coming out here. It's very awkward to do a model kit with a lighting kit, well, with your own lighting kit, with somebody else making one. It's just exactly the same. There's a lot of LEDs, some resistors maybe. These all run on 12 volts, so at least it's standard along everything that I do. I thought I actually lit those up, the engines. No, saying that the original didn't light up, did they? No, because that's a sticker. That's why they don't light up. I didn't do that at all. But yeah, I'm quite happy with where this model turned out. I don't like leaks. But that's for another day to get a better kit. I might do another kit and I might actually do a video for it. These were way before I started doing the Retro Tech Round stuff, any of these lots, so yeah, it's nicely cleaned up and shown off to you. So anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I've got a few more of these left to do, some more on the channel anyway, so if you want other Trek stuff, I've got that. If you want some tech stuff, which I do as a main part, then check it out. I've got tons of videos on here. Hope you like. Please subscribe, and I'll see you next video. Bye for now.